Do you know how in sci-fi someone finds an alien textbook or hologram, recognizes it as their version of the periodic table of elements, and then discovers that they know hundreds, if not thousands of elements, while we only know 118, or however many we did when the author Googled it?
146.
There are currently only 111 elements on the periodic table.
Only 90 when I last looked.
Turn the page. What? Turn the page.
Are you saying that this is like a book?
Well, about that. You see, physics and chemistry don't really work that way. This is a part of a common trope in sci-fi that alien civilizations know more about, well, everything, and it's usually to justify some major plot hole. But aliens have to respect the laws of physics, and yes, it's possible for them to discover more elements than us, but hundreds seems like an impossible stretch. Here's why. Heavier elements are almost always unstable because the protons in the nucleus keep trying to repel each other while neutrons try to balance them out. Periodically, this fails, which releases some high-energy subatomic particles that go careening into anything and everything around them. We know that as radiation. The heavier the element, the more protons, and the more their nuclei want to fly apart. As you get more and more protons into a nucleus, the whole thing might just split in two in a process called spontaneous fission. This is why element 118, oganesson, the heaviest one that we've made, and emphasis on made because it cannot occur naturally, has a half-life of just 0.7 milliseconds. For reference, that's 180 times faster than the blink of an eye. Now, there's small hypothetical so-called islands of stability of these elements. But that name is misleading because super heavy elements in these islands still decay and very quickly, just not by spontaneous fissions. Also, we've never seen the stable isotone actually form under any conditions. And all of this is just a long way of saying that element 318 in that Stargate SG-1 clip would probably generate so much repulsion between its protons, it would never even come together. And the whole premise of the episode is based on the Hollywood writer's version of physics. And now you know.